In this video, I will show you how you can add volume indicator on Exness. So it's really easy. All you have to do, you want to click on these indicators on top. And from here, you want to search for volume. And here you have many different options of volume indicators. So you can choose this basic one and it will be automatically added to your chart. If you want to make it favorite, you can also click on this star, and when you don't have to search for it, you will have it like on top of indicators. And now you can close this, and you can also customize this. So if you click on this little volume icon here and click on those three dots next to it and then settings, you can customize many different options here like style, visibility. So you can choose, like, let's say if you want to make color of falling, you can choose different than red. So let's say I'm gonna choose this yellow. So this is how you can change color. Then you have some input settings here, and that's pretty much it. If you want to, let's say, remove it, you can click on remove and it will remove your indicator. So this is how you can add the volume indicator on Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.